Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use in Google Spreadsheet the SUMIF function. So the SUMIF function is very different from the COUNTIF. So the SUMIF will sum a value if a condition is true. Sounds maybe complicated, but it is not. It's very easy and it is a very powerful tool. So let me show you exactly how. Imagine we have our list of apples. We have here some fruits, oranges, and we have grapes, and we have melons, and we have mangoes. Mango, I'll just keep it like that. And then we have another apples, and we have another mango, and another melons. And this melons needs to be capitalized, yes. And one more apple. Alright. So we have this, and let's put in some basic values here, and for the sake here, just to double click on it to make it all consistent. So we're selling every item always 10 pieces. With the SUMIF, you can quickly calculate how many, or if a condition is true. So for example, I want only to know for apples how much we sold. So how do we do that? Well, very simple. We type in equal, then we put in SUMIF. Once we do the SUMIF, you can see here there are a few criteria they have. Number one, what is the range? Yes, so the range is just only where you want to match the so-called criteria. Yes, so let's select this one. This is our range, or we can even use this entire column. Yes, once we did that, we have the criteria. So what is the criteria? Let's put it in on 1E on this column. We'll just select it, and later on we will just select this. Once we did this, what is the sum range? So if this condition is true, then sum up the values here. So if it's apples, you will see here 10, then you will see here another apples 20 and 30. Enter. So let's check if this works. So right now we selected this, but of course we have no criteria yet. That's why it's 0. So if we say now apples, we get the value of 30, which is correct because it sums up 3 times the value. What about mango? We have mango. And what about melons? Melons as well. And what if we put in a peach? No peach, because there's no value of that. But we can always add that up here. If we would have now peach, and this peach will be 100, you will see instantly it matches as well. So this is really how you can use the Google Spreadsheet SUMIF function. What it really does is it makes an if statement. If this matching is true, then sum this value, and then it will go down to the next one until it is done with the entire column. That's basically what it does. Very powerful, very useful.